Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be doing part 5 of my series of how to make your own FNAF game in Scratch. So, last time we did the door system. As you can see, there's the door, it opens and closes, like that. But now, we're going to make the cameras, so you can look up and look into different rooms. So, no. What even is that? Go turn on Do Not Disturb. Yeah, we gotta make a new sprite. This is gonna be the camera button. So we're just gonna quickly design a camera button. So let's make a box. It needs to be like pretty big, but also pretty small, like this. And it's gotta be it's gotta be like gray. And I think that this would be better if it was a lighter gray. It would look better. Now we gotta make it so it's transparent a little with this tool that I have. Or we could just not make it transparent and do it the simple way. Actually, let's do no outline. No outline might look better. Let's just keep designing this button. It's going to be at the bottom of the screen. It's going to be 0, 0. That looks nice. There we go. Look at that. Look at that button. Now let's put an arrow on the button. Like that. Let's make the line for the arrow a little bigger. There we go. Now we just gotta make it transparent. So it's gonna hide when it starts. Hide. Set ghost effect to. How about we set? Let's just play around the ghost effect. Like maybe like 60. Maybe 60 would be good. Let's just test this. No. That's too much. That's too much. 40. I think 40 would be good. 40 is not good. 30. Let's just. Yeah, 30 is good. 30 is fantastic. Let's set it up to here. Here. And then when I receive in-game, I think it is. Let's just see. Yeah, when I receive in-game, it's going to show. So let me just show. And let's just test this real quick. So broadcast in-game. Let's see. It's there. It doesn't do anything right now, but it's there. Alright. Let me just see something real quick. So I'm just trying to remember how to specifically make it do the thing. When the spread is clicked, maybe? Maybe that's what I'm thinking. Spread is clicked. Broadcast. Oh, wait, I forgot to set it to go to front layer. Stupid me. Front layer. Go to front layer. Oh, I also forgot this. It's gonna forever check if mouse pointer is touching it. So forever if no, it has to be an if else. I'm such an idiot sometimes. If else touching mouse pointer, set ghost effect to 15 or like ghost effect to 15 else. No, that's size. Oops. Stupid me. Ghost effect 15, and then afterwards it's gonna change back to 30. So 30. Let's see what happens now. Boom. As you can see, it slightly gets. Yeah, see, it does something when you hover over it now. Now, when this sprite is clicked, it's gotta. When sprite is clicked, take that away. Sprite is clicked. We'll make a new variable. Okay. New variable's gotta be. I make a new variable. It's gotta be called. Cam. I think that's how you spell camera. Up. That's not how you spell camera, isn't it? My spelling isn't that great. Camera up. There. Now when it's clicked, it's gonna set camera up to 1. Set to 1. 1. And we got us to set camera up to 0 when clicked. And we're going to broadcast camera button. So we're gonna make a new broadcast. It's gonna be called camera button. And it's gonna hide. There. Now let's try it. It disappears. That's good. Now. We're gonna make it so when it receives camera button, it's going to move the monitor upward. So we're gonna design a monitor real quick. So this big's good. Yeah, it has to be covering the whole screen. I'm sorry. And then it has to be filled with black. Now we're just gonna make it so it slowly flips upward. It's gonna make a small animation. We gotta make it look better, so let's just make this a little lighter. Now we're gonna copy and paste, shrink, and this is going to be. I thought we established that there were going to be no lines. Stupid. No. Gotta be no outlines. Alright, this will. I think the monitor screen should be a little bigger. We could make it go upwards, or we could make it flip up. I think that we should just. I don't know. Making it flip upwards would just be really difficult. I've done it before, and it took me 30 minutes, and I don't want that. So we're just gonna make it so it moves up. So it's gonna. This is the camera. I'm going to put it down here. More like. Yeah, down here is good. Down there is good, I believe. We just gotta group it so it's easier to move. Put down a little more. There. Now I'm just gonna continue making costumes where it slowly moves upwards. So it covers the screen. So I'm just gonna. I'll make a separate video of how to make it flip upwards, but I don't really feel like doing that right at this moment since we're on a short schedule. I mean, I could leave the costumes for the flip upward one in the description, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm too lazy and I'll probably forget about it. Now we're gonna move this upward again. Let's have a look at this. It's just gonna go from there to there. Alright, it's almost done. Let's just. Alright, it's about one more, and then we're done with the camera. Alright, let's put in the code for it. So, it's going to, when green flag clicked, of course. So when green flag clicked, it's going to go to 00 and it's going to. Oh, what costume is it on? There. Go to 00 and it's going to go to front layer and hide. So hide front layer. Front layer. Now, when it receives camera button, it's going to show. So when I receive camera button, show, switch to costume 1. So switch to costume 1. And we're gonna make up my this is not in the original one, but we're going to repeat until costume number is equal to costume number equal to, so how many costumes are there exactly? 15. So it's equal to 15. Now put that in there and go to next costume. So let's just have a look at it. Yeah, that looks good. It's just gotta make a sound when you put it up. So just get the sound real quick. I'm just getting the sound. Now we're gonna put in a sound for when you move it up. Alright, when I receive camera button, we gotta do stop all sounds just for that. For it to, so when we put in the other sounds, it will stop all the sounds, so you can actually hear the camera moving. So I'm gonna go start sound. Now I just gotta test, see if it does anything. Oh, alright. Night 1, whatever. Loading. Just wait now. Aha! It does, but nothing happens. It's just darkness. So now when that happens, it's gonna hide. Believe it or not, it's gonna hide. Actually, let me just. We gotta make this big. Itself, so we'll just. There. Now it's gonna hide. We had to make it that specific. Do that specific thing so it'd cover the black would cover the entire screen. Oh no, camera up is. Then it's gonna broadcast. When it does that, it's gonna broadcast camera. I think it's gonna monitor animation. So broadcast. I don't know how to spell monitor, so I'm gonna put. Let's just put iPad animation. iPad animation. There. Is that even how you spell? It's not even how you spell iPad. Alright, there we go. He's using the iPad to look at the cameras. Now, after it hides, it's gonna have to show the layout for where the cameras are. You can make this however you want, but we're just gonna make this nice and simple. So it's gonna be the main room, and it has to be just outlines. So white outline, make it a little darker than that, and then let's just make it thick. Like that. Just put it down in the corner. You have to set that to 0, 0. X to 0, 0, and 0, 0. So I think this should be the main room, and then it should be the hallways. So hallway. And then there should be another hallway on the other side. Copy, paste. on the other side. Oh wait, we're too close to the edge. I can't do it perfectly there. And now we just designed, so it's just gonna. Both of these are just gonna lead into the party room. There's not gonna be that much. It's just gonna be a hallway. Copy and paste that. Copy, paste. Another. And it's just gonna lead into one big room. Whoops. It's only gonna be like 3 cameras for this. You can put as many cameras as you want. But remember, the more cameras, the more poses you're gonna have to put your animatronic in. So beware of that. So we're just gonna put a little circle in here to indicate that it's you. Oh wait, no, it's clear. Okay, let's make it pixel color. Let's indicate. There. You're right here. It's a little too big for the monitor, so we're gonna have to shrink it down, like group it and shrink it down. So group. We're gonna move it right here to the corner. That's just gonna be the map. Now we gotta make the camera buttons, I believe. Or are we? Oh, do we? Is that what we're doing next? Yes. So we gotta put the code in for these as well. So good front layer. Go to 0, 0. Go to 0, 0. And hide. Of course, you don't want to just load into the game and automatically see the map. You want to have to get into the monitor and see the map. So now that that's there, when I receive camera monitor animation, it's gonna show. So monitor. When I receive iPad animation, I believe that's what we called it. Yeah, it's gonna show. Let's have a test. Wait, I forgot. It also has to go front layer. Let's just have a look. Here we go. We're in the game now. Yeah, it will lag a little bit when you start. See, it went all blank and all you see is the map. The reason why it needs to go blank is because there's going to be a separate sprite that goes underneath it, so it looks like you're looking at the cameras. Don't get confused over it. It will be explained later, but all we have right now is that it's working properly. It's doing what it's supposed to. Now we're gonna paint something new, and we're gonna make the buttons, the camera buttons. So first button is gonna be really small. We're gonna keep that on there so we can position this properly. So we gotta make this boy really small though. Why? So it could fit where it's supposed to go. It's gonna move. No! Okay. Move that down to over here. This is gonna be for the hallway. Now let's make it a better color, like maybe a dark. Yeah, how about a dark color? So like a dark gray. Like that. It's gonna say Cam 1 on it. Let's just put... You can make these buttons look better if you want. But right now they're like pretty bland. Cam 1. There you go. Here's camera 1. Now let's put in the code for camera 1. Wait, never mind. We also gotta make another costume for it. Where it's like a highlighted color, so it's like brighter. So is the text. It has to be brighter. So it goes from, so when you select it, it goes from this to this. This to this. There we go. Now we can start coding. So of course when green flag clicked, switch hide, go to 0, 0. Blah blah blah. Switch to costume 1. Costume 1. And go to front layer. Reason why I have so many front layers is that it has to do a certain thing in order to properly go into the layers. Otherwise, you won't be able to see it, or you won't be able to click it. I learned that the hard way. I had to fiddle with it with my other game, the Night Shift at Lizzo's. It's on my Scratch account. You can go check it out in my About section, but we're going to continue the tutorial. I'm sorry, I got off track. So, we're going to make a whole thing where each button turns off when you do a certain thing. So, when this sprite is clicked, it's going to broadcast Cam 1. Cam 1. And since it's going to be like only 3 cams, we have to make this. Yeah, just 2. Oh, wait. I also forgot about the huh? Oh yeah, iPad animation. It's gotta show the iPad. Let's use the iPad animation. Oh yeah, we just do this. I'm being a real idiot right now. See iPad animation. Show. And it's gotta go to front layer twice. Just like repeat 10 times or whatever. Doesn't matter. And when wait. Let me just. It's also got to switch to costume 1, I believe. Yeah, that too. I'm sorry I'm so slow today. Everything's been weird. Weird. Oh, one more. We gotta duplicate this another time. When I receive cam 1, switch to costume 2. When I receive cam, we gotta make cam 2. It's gonna switch to costume 1. cam 3. So now we have all this set up. It should work. But since there's no other camera buttons, it doesn't really do anything. Let's just see if it changes first, you know? That's what's important. Alright, continue. Reason why I'm pressing continue is because it's the fastest way to get into the game. You don't have to go through the cutscene with the newspaper that we designed the other last episode. The other episode. So press this. As you can see, changes color. That's good. If we want to put in a sound for the button, which I suggest we do, I'll set that up right now. I think maybe. Do I have a sound? I swear I did. Oh, is it in here? I'm just looking in my Night Shift at Lizzo's project to see a couple, and look at a couple things. And see if I can find what I'm looking for. Oh, yep, found it. Oh, alright, I just remembered it. Alright, I found it. It's in my other project. I had to go in there to get it. I just gotta drag it in. Alright, I'm sorry it took so long. I just needed to find it. Camera. Wait, what? It didn't. Wait, did I not do this right? Oh no, here it is. Right here. Now we just drop start sound into each one. There. Now we'll play blip, which is the camera changing. Now it's just, literally all we do is copy and paste this, and then move it. So delete this and set it to 0, 0. Of course, every single thing needs to be set to 0, 0. 0, 0. And we're just gonna quickly move it over here. This is where Cam 2 is gonna be located. Cam 2. There we go. We're gonna make the lighter version of the model. So we're just gonna go over here and literally just click on it. No, I said click on it. And then we're just gonna grab the fill tool and just do this. And we're gonna do that same with the text. So we're just gonna click on it with the click tool. Fill in the text in the other one. Change the code a little bit. So now when it's clicked, it broadcasts cam 2, and cam 2 changes. And cam 2 changes to costume 2 instead of costume 1. There we go. So now it does that. Let's just test it. Yep, see? It's doing what it's supposed to. That's a good thing. Now we just do the same thing with cam 3. So duplicate and go into costumes. Also gotta set this to 0, 0. Zoom out. Move it upward. The way over here into the corner of the Party room. Or should I put it back here, like all the way at the back? And I think I should put it into the side. Yeah, the side would be great. Oh, whoops. That's not right. Alright, let me just zoom in. It's getting too difficult to move it when it's tiny. Alright, let's just... Wait, did I forget to... No, I guess I'm just an idiot right now. Delete. Well, then we just copy and paste this, right? Copy. Paste. Now we gotta change the color. Change the color. This is the boring part, trust me. Yeah, a lot of it is pretty boring, but a lot of the stuff in here is not the funnest thing to code or make, but it's required for it to work properly with my code. There we go. Let's test it. Oh, we forgot to change the code. Bruh. Alright. This is gonna change. It's one. Let's check it. Let's check this now. There we go. It's changing correctly. That's good. Now we gotta make this the static, I believe. This is gonna lay on top, but I don't really think we should do the static. I'll leave the code for the static inside the assets. There's two statics, the menu static, and this is gonna be the camera static. But I'm not adding the camera static today. That's optional. But what I will do is add the record thing. It's basically a little thingy in the corner of the screen that blinks on and off like a camera. So it's just make it like a nice shade of red. But it's gonna be not that. It's gonna be like that. Let's just move it to 0, 0. There, it's gonna blink on and off as we're going to the cameras. We just gotta find the code. When green flag clicked, of course. Hide. Go to 0, 0. Go to 0, 0. That's not what 0, 0 is located. 0, 0. Now when monitor animation is on, so monitor animation is activated. Monitor. But it's iPad animation. Sorry, I keep getting those two mixed up. Now, when it's on, it's going to repeat 10 times. Go to front layer because that's how it works. So front layer 10 times. Then it's gonna show, and only then is when it's gonna show. Then forever it's going to switch from costume 1, which is this costume 1, to costume 2, which is just blank. So forever and forever. From costume 1. Wait 1 second. Just gonna duplicate that and change it to costume 2. So it looks like that. That looks okay, right? Alright, now that we've done that, just check this. Alright. Now that we've done that, we get to make the cameras. Or we could stop here. I don't really know. But I think we should at least design a room before we leave off. Maybe. Yeah. I'll be here for like another 10 minutes. You know what? We'll make a room. So oh wait, no, we don't make the rooms yet. I'm sorry. Oh. We have to make the camera down button. So it's basically the camera button, which is this, but it's not really. We gotta flip this upside down. Yeah, and we gotta do a bunch of other code for it. It's basically the same thing, but when it's clicked, it broadcasts camera down. And it sets camera to 0. So and click set to 0. And it's going to instead move the camera. So like iPad down. Oh, I could just put camera button down. That's not camera. That's not how you spell camera. Camera. Down. But. Hold on. There we go. Now we just gotta go to the iPad. So when the iPad receives camera down, it does basically the same thing it did before, but it goes the opposite direction. So when I receive wait. Let me just look at something real quick. Let me just look at the. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need a blank slate for the first one. Let's just quickly change this to 16. To costume number 1. And then we're going to go to switch costume to costume number -1. So -1. So it looks like this. What? Oh wait, I forgot. It needs to be in. I forgot to change it to that. And I need to change this down to this. So yeah, now we should probably camera down. Hide when I receive. Oh, I forgot to do something. We also need to go to when I receive iPad animation show. And go to front layer a bunch of times. So front layer like 10 times because it's very annoying about that. Let's just see. It's also not centered. J8. 0. 0. Did I forget to change something? Oh yeah. A camera down button. Or is it like Yeah, camera down button. Yeah, it's that. Let's just see if it works first before we jump to any conclusions on how it should work. Alright. Wait, that's not right. It has to be hidden. Alright, I'm sorry. I had to hide it real quick. Right, there's a button for it. I don't know why I'm going through the trouble to. That's how it looks. That's not right. Receive iPad animation. Yeah, no, that has to be deleted. And when it shows, when I receive something along the lines of camera down, but yeah. It needs to receive camera down button to show. So camera down button show. No, it needs. I need to change this a little bit. It's not all the way on top of things. All right. Wait. What? You should be. Huh? Huh? It's not. How does this work? When I receive iPad animation in front there. Let's just see if that works. All right, I'm kind of confused on why it ain't working right. Let's just have a look at it now. Let's see if it works now. Oh, here we go. See, it works properly. Why are you still here? When I receive. Why do you keep doing that? Bastard. Oh wait, I think I know what it is. Broadcasting iPad animation after. See, it's working right. Except these aren't hiding. They're supposed to be hiding. So we should probably fix that. Alright, so we should just make a block that is camera down button, and it just hides. Hide. Now we're just gonna put that all into the stuff that shows up. So boom, 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 boom. And what's this exactly? Is this nothing? Yeah, it's nothing. Alright, let's try this again. Yes, it all disappeared. It's working. See it working? This is still not going to the front. Let's just put like that. Oh, like 20. Let's just put 12 times. There. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, it's good. It's good. We're all good. It's working right. Isn't that good? I mean, there's going to be something in front of us that's going to prevent us from seeing the room. It's going to be like the cameras. But right now, the monitor working is the only thing that we need. Should I make this more than an hour long? Some people have things to do, and I don't really think they have time to watch me fiddle around trying to show you how to make this. But I think it's a good thing that I am here to show you how to do it. Is the button glitching? No, I think it's good. The button's good. I thought it was glitching for a second. I think we might have enough time to make the, Oh wait, no we don't. We have like 9 minutes until this video is an hour long. No, this is gonna be my hour long. This is gonna be an hour long video because we're making the cameras. So let's get on with it. So this shouldn't be here. All right, now the cameras. So how they work is that we design a room. I think we should first design one of the hallways, or maybe the party. Just the party room. The party room should be our first thing to design. So I think we should just make a room real quick. So we're gonna make a big square. Just one big square. I'm gonna put it right here. It's gonna be in 0, 0, 0. Forgot about that. It's gonna be like a gray color because of course it's a room, so it's gonna be a nice gray. And then we're gonna make the other parts of the room, so like this, and then put the back layer. And then we gotta copy and paste the back layer. Now I'm gonna make the floors. I'm just gonna make it so it looks better. Like that. And like that. So now it looks like a room. Now I'm just gonna make this floor a little, maybe like a little darker. There we go. Looks like a room, right? It should have a roof, correct? Just copy and paste that and flip it. Be the party room. So it looks like a great room. Now we gotta design the stage. So what we do first is make a rectangle and make it, I don't know, like brown. Maybe like a brown, so now we mold it. We have to mold it. So it looks like this. It looks like a trapezoid or whatever. Now, go down here. Zoom in. We should zoom in. It'd be easier if we zoom in. Now, we do this. We design something like that. We move it upward, and we change it to be a little bit darker. And there we have like a very small stage. But you want the stage to be longer? And we do this. Shablamo. Bigger stage. That's just gonna be the stage of his little show. Maybe we should put a speaker or something next to it, or maybe some decorations. So like a cloud. Let's just make a quick little cloud. Just make a little bit of a cloud. Save project. We don't want us to lose all our progress. So this is the stage. Now let's make it look spooky by adding this big square, just a big square to cover it all up. And then we're gonna do this. Oh, that's perfect actually. Wow, that looks great, doesn't it? It's a nice room. Now we're gonna make 2 more. I don't want to make 2 more rooms, but too bad. We're going to have to. Now, let's make the second room. So we're just going to duplicate. No, we shouldn't have duplicated it. Well, I mean, we could. I mean, it's actually a good thing that we did because we already designed a room. So then we just don't have to. We don't have to design another room. But this is going to be the hallway where you're going to see the animatronic and his big, stupid face. Just quickly make a door. You know, just a regular door down here. It's just going to be filled with darkness. It's just a door. And then there's going to be another door on the other side, which is about the same color. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And then I'm just going to position it. Okay, sometimes this gets a little fiddly. Let's make this a little taller of a door. There we go, there's 2 doors. Let's just make it a little spooky by adding that thing we added earlier. You know, the shadow. Copy. Paste. There we go. A room and a hallway. Now, which hallway is it? Oh yeah, this is gonna be cam 1. And then we're gonna make cam 2, which is basically just the same thing, but it's flipped. So it literally, let's just flip it. There! It's cam 3 or whatever. You can't... They're completely different. Oh wait, I just remembered. There's no hallway on this side. There's no door. I just realized I made a huge mistake. We did not need cam 2. We didn't need cam 2. I feel like such an idiot right now. An idiot sandwich. It's all good. We could just move cam 2 to a different area. And we could just delete these hallways. It doesn't matter. It's fine. It's all good. Mistakes happen. Guess there's just gonna be 2 cameras. And or we could just put in like a little storage locker. You know what? Let's make a little storage locker and put it right here. It's a backstage area. There. Now cam 2 can go there. First we gotta hide this. Can't see. Oh wait, no. Wait, what? Is this cam 2 or... Oh, it's this cam 2, okay. Why I kind of made cam 2 a little bit weird. I forgot to rename these. So now it's just 2 cam 2. Now I'm gonna move this upward all the way over to the storage area. Oh, whoops. That was an accident. There we go. It's all good, but oh man, you can't click on cam 1 because of the button. Maybe this is still too big. Or the, yeah, it's still too big. Just shrink it down again. Move it like up here. Now I'm gonna have to move all the buttons again. Just realized my mistake, and now it's gonna impact how we play how we make the game indefinitely. You know what, let's just put it here. Let's just put it here and see that works. But now I gotta redo this goddamn thing where or you do it the easy way. Just copy. Just copy. Just paste it. And we could just slowly move it over here to the point where no one would even notice anything's wrong. Yeah, no one will notice that. Cam is this, and then there's this cam too that confused the freak out of me. Sorry, part of my French, but it confused me a lot. And then there's this one. To really rename all these cameras, like one of the camera, like the camera, that doppelganger camera too. It's just being annoying. We have to rename this to camera 3. One, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna have to change all the code in here. So this is camera 3. Costume 1. And this one is camera 2. So I'm also gonna have to move all of these other costumes in here to match with it. Copy. Paste. Now I'm gonna go in here. Do the select thing. Zoom. And do the fill bucket. That's not right. And do the fill bucket thing. Why is it doing that? Select. Go to here. Why? Oh. I feel like such a dumb man. I'm a dummy. Alright, let's just. Yes! You stupid thing! You're right. I'm sorry this is taking so long. No! I just realized I did it wrong. There. Stay. I'm just gonna copy that. Do it again because it's being an idiot. It's stupid. Alright, so this is the last one, right? Good. Just click on it and fill it without any problems. Yes. Click on it and fill it with no problems. Yes. Yes. There. It's working. It's doing what it's supposed to. Yeah, now we can finally go to the rooms. Now, since there is no second hallway, I'm going to have to redo this to make a new room. Make it a shelf room, maybe. This has to be like a wide room, so I'm gonna do this. And now I'm gonna have to do this. Put a back layer. Oh, yeah, I forgot to change the color. I'm gonna have to re-grab the wall colors. And now I'm just gonna do that. Now I can put that back. So I'm just gonna grab this and put it back. There we go. Now you just gotta design the floor again. So floor, that's not right. That's still not right. So let's design the floor correctly. Copy paste. Back layer. Back layer. Oh my god. There we go. It's a room. Now time for shelfie welfies. So we literally just need to grab this. Just need to select both of these. Group them backward. Copy. And then paste them in here. And then we literally put this back. Now we grab it, extend it, and there we have a shelf. Just copy and paste. See? Shelfie welfies. You don't need to make your own shelves every time you make a room. You could just take old stuff. Now we have to... we could put stuff on the shelf if we wanted to, but I don't really know what we could put. We could put a head on there. Yeah, let's put a head on the top shelf. So let's just grab this boy's black and dyed head. Just copy and paste it in there. It will look about the same. So paste, and let's just place it on top of the shelf, right there. And maybe we could put like a couple. And there's one over here that's facing the other way, and it's like back, forward, 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 backward. Oh no, he can't fit on the shelf. Oh no, the shelf move. Front. There we go. His head's on the shelf. Now we just gotta grab that copy. And we're just gonna paste it into the room. There we have that. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Now we have to start coding the rooms. So when green flag clicked. So when green flag clicked. Actually, I think we should name these costumes. This is Cam, I believe Cam 2. So Cam 2, and then this is Cam 1. So Cam 1, and this is Cam 3. So let's just... remember, you can add as many rooms as you want. It's like infinite possibilities of what you could add to your rooms. Now that we have all these cams, yeah, go to 0, 0. Then it's gonna hide and switch to costume, whatever costume you're starting with. So hide. And switch to costume. Costume. Which costume are we? Which camera are we going for? Yeah, we're going for cam 2. So cam 2. Then when it receives camera, whatever it is, I think it's camera animation. Oh wait, I forgot something. Need to make one that's completely blank. So we're just gonna quickly go to the camera sprite. Go down here and select the monitor, inside the monitor color, and we're just gonna create a big black box that looks like this. This is gonna be cam 0. Wait, did I forget to do something? Oh yeah, I believe I forgot to do something over here. Wait, nope, never mind, I didn't. It's all good. So now, when I receive camera, where is it? I think it's iPad, yeah, when I receive iPad animation. Switch to cam 0 and show. Switch to show. Let's see how that looks. So we're gonna go to iPad animation, broadcast that. Yeah, it works. It's doing what it's supposed to. That's good. Now it's going to switch to different costumes based on. So when I receive cam 1, it's going to switch to cam 1. So there. And now we're going to make it so it switches to each one. So cam 3, switch to cam 3, and then cam 2, switch to cam 2. Alright. Oh. Silly me. Alright, here we go. It's working. It looks great, doesn't it? It looks great. Now, there's like a couple things we need to do. So when it receives camera down, camera button down, it switches to, instead of hiding it just needs to hide. So we can get rid of this. Let's just see if it works. Yep, it's working. That's the camera system. Later on, we will be working on the animatronics. That's all for today's tutorial. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.